Let us see now how ultrasound works actually. All the ultrasound equipments have a special feature of this transducer. Okay, this transducer has the ability to convert electrical signals into high pressure sound waves that we call as ultrasound, and the reverse is also true. It can also convert these high pressure ultrasound waves into electrical signals. This is how a transducer, piezoelectric transducer works. Okay, so whenever this transducer sends these sound waves into the body, what happens? They are going to get reflected back, and this reflection of the sound waves, this ultrasound, goes on very fastly. Like you can see, it's very fast. When this happens, the tissues are of varying densities, and due to these varying densities of tissue, what happens? These electrical signals, they are going to detect the anatomy of the internal features of the body. So this is how we can actually get a sonograph. See, you can get a complete image like this, and you can also have a real-time heart valve ultrasound, because this is going to tell you how are the organs moving inside your body, right? So this is how the ultrasound works with the help of piezoelectric crystals. Okay, remember that they have the ability to convert electrical signals into high pressure sound wave, that is ultrasound, and the reverse is also true, that is the conversion of high pressure sound waves, that is ultrasound, back into electrical signals.